Shkomeko wakemini o machine radio. Lala no ese ichon eje wo dienche wo nyaminu ni ji wan you. Ke itole ojogba dani ichuni na. Lele no fen no ko ba na Sane toboda no na. Few. Ke aya here. Shkomeko machine radio coming to you live from the heart of the city. Wakemini gamashi. Shkomeko ngbeji ni tetelate. Oba pe woni Teemɔ no ni ji mini Teemɔ mlinsan ke mdenche inumo ni ji Dr. Imam Abdullah Sapon. Gbene sho ni ma sho na ma sho abole kutu na akpe aka atwa akpe wono bemli gbene on the 1st of September o he mo femo awa tu kembanyon ehe na emli wonda nu ncholeshi age keke wo be fe be wosan wo akpe ku shkomeko ko machi radio o ke mini ja o ya logo Sane na ngamwe kwa ya wodi nche woche ni ji ni gonti ajo atukpa manche ke wonba ode manye mo femo ni baba fita wo Facebook alo e krokro ni ke ba ye ni Teemɔ be wo ke wo hinye fen awa tu si dani wo ba banyegbe mi chon Sane wo da men wow, ni work any Teemɔ ba nyegbe no. Ni ji Jenny's Pizza. You can buy a pizza from Jenny's Pizza at 50% discount. That's the Chempe promotion. Buy at half price from 12 to 6. This and every Monday. Thursday. Why not try me 0268 595 2222 0268 595 222. Why not na me akukwa photo meet on runabout down Soman. Agbenela Kumasi Konongo ke Agbenela airport. You get mini Chempe. Agbenela Dabje stationery ke the gym and boxing. The gym boxing and fitness gym. Koto kasi actual form. Mastermind le humba wao. We feel printing, branding, posters, ke flies. Shani ne wanga wodi enche wonye. Niji Mrs. Ruby Ayi. Nike wabayi biye u machine no. Wake ma shani ne womba ode manye. Ke Agbenela mo fe mo huni. Ike wo bayi be wake mi ni nyumo ajob ife nu kwo okejo alo ba kwo okeje wake mi ni nyumo ajob di enche o machi radio coming to you live from the heart of the city wake mi ni gamashi na ge dog ibashe ni ibashe ke anu wo fe nu wake ni Teemɔ abanyegbe no plakpla ja ke bele be ehu ngene incho alo oti ni wo ba yu eheji. Last week I work how to restore your lost energy in day-to-day life. I mean, the structure of a sound mind. Structure of a sound mind. Your dog, Ibashe ke Sane work ni Teemɔ abanyegbe no. Komeko machi radio work mini ja oya logo. Dog, BNL wo hiele ifonku. Inhi on yo akeshi oye ojugba ya no jeun.
No modrumo na yejugba BFN.
Bi ojugba.
Tibole fe ke me fe ni booti Facebook live on Omachi radio. Minganye fe good afternoon ke assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ni mo ajo nye fe kuni dikani nye na ni ke booti ke bundle ni spend ni fito ni ke booti ni mo ni na fina kan ni ne kwe program da
yo
ni mo ajo nye fe ni gonti ajo the first ndini atukpa elongo ngale ojigba ni majo le kuni enuchimo ekpa ni mwani hale walani ke walani nye ke chuda
yo mambi benye iradon micho ngbene mi to manga wanyaminu komeniji wanyaminu wanyu le won ekwa okenje UK ni amli wanyu shani na wake ngamo ku ya hambo dog ngbene won kwe structure of a sound mind wo and what we la no plak
ko feel like plak ba feel hotel wa shamalile
na kaona yo ni mo ajo ni ko ya ni wo ye ke mi she you dog
ni feel sound de mani man na wa feel sound go ye logic ba
you dog be ya no ko
ni yo minji ona ke won kwe ona ke what discuss mind there wa for the past few weeks what discuss mind there because mind there no jono ni here ono fiano no monitor ono fiano ona ko with oime ona mind there ke ime no generally monitor ono fiano or no le dane is no afi very active ona keno chu ni odigba pe e ke any o na problems come ni obole e ke no fi basa ona if you tomo tone kuni alo vehicle kuni mintrage electronic system e tuni
okay
ona vehicle ke engine good ona engine perform odigba see wires ona electronics ni here tony keji mintrage si they are not functioning properly here tony any function odigba naka no di carburetor you see carburetor e gugu ni sani ko a service a wash gugu min kani bi onu min sibena bona fini e gugu mi ona enye mu odigba wo ke carburetor e gugu min chipe ke fina kan tony enye pool odigba naka no odigba mo adisa o into ke a sound there naka no di ingbe un feel sound ona ke di ingbe feel sound there naka no di boni ogugon o breathing system lomba feel sound agbene ko breathing system feel sound there naka no o airway you know o throat ona down your chest down your lungs lomba feel sound ke je naka obana crackdowns ke je naka obana disorders come ke je naka obana dysfunctions come sing many no about discuss no ni is one the structure of a sound mind there te ba fit on like your mind is structured
okay
ona
okay
te ba fit on one like your mind is structured te ba fit on
nakai
and the reason is that ona
dog infuko na ofa na shiba mniwa wonyemi nunko me wa fita we Alfred Bano ike thank you for promoting the Ga language Imbra Bano oyiro adon ake o wa fita we uke o ko kenje Opera Square nyumo ajobu feel ni wo ba le o machine wo ba ka wa we machine no to mo be ni bo o na feel wo ba ye mu ko ni owo gan amashujugba in case of any sponsoring ne ba nye twa we ne kai bo ne no 0201 71753 na ikole kanye tonye wa nchumo ko ni nchumo aya no hwehwe ora don dog over nani
ona no oni mi no won dale shiriba I mean thank la won dale shanke wa fita we no wa jole
agbenele wonye mi tmo be ni nchonye nwie Emmanuel Okaniji wan you ke greetings Mrs Ruby Ayi nke hi everyone ma won hele ono dog over no
onga me fe no wa jo me fe
dog over no wa
ona o ke o ta no na akeshi and o mind there is it structured is it organized because ke mind there feel organized there over problems for your body me
okay
you see what is an o structure mind there ke o structure mind there no bando na sound mind
sure
ke je na kai over panicking effects come ona over depressions come ke je na ka over stresses come ni enya ke je na ka wa feel discomfort come displeasure. These are the things in Bible because the mind is not sound.
Sure.
Well, but not finding a structure of mind there, it will depend upon our mindset. Ona mindset boni oba fe o mindset o ha it mo television set no TV set. Ona boni TV yo na kanji boni a vision e jopo ha.
Okay.
Ke TV is black and white one black and white effect
vision.
and background.
Sure.
Ke the TV is colored there one multicolored TV effect at the background.
Okay.
Ona one can know ke mindset is structured properly ona in the format is formatted ona no bano determination ko it will give you some determination as to how to realize yourself and anything that comes your way. But when the mind is not structured you go off balance.
Okay.
You go off track. Sometimes you may need advice before you progress. Sometimes somebody has to move you before you move. Sometimes something has to happen before you learn from it. But because the mind is not structured. So you have to learn from experiences for you to structure your mind. So we shouldn't be offended when we are having life experiences. No.
Okay.
And we shouldn't worry when we are having life experiences. And we shouldn't panic when we are going through life experiences and circumstances, obstacles and impediments and all that. No. Those things are there to structure our minds, to give us some experience, to learn from those things in order to set our minds properly. Because if the mindset is not good, you have to reset it. I keep on saying that thing. The mindset It's an old reset. For example, if you go to una early childhood background go, and as you grow, una kedabi, but not accessible from the beginning. It's not meeting the standard. You have to reset that mind, because if you continue with that background, then it will affect you in different areas of life. Well, if you know what I say about you, if you know what I say about no mindset, sure. Because una ke oputwe in the minority, and now we a majority emi, and now we a minority emi, because na kan jibo ni o limit ohe, o limit e bone yo na kan na bu. It depends on your mindset. Una, so in order to set your mind properly and to structure your mind properly, you need to synchronize your system. Your mind, your body, and your soul must be synchronized like a television, horizontally and vertically, so that your vision can come out, so that you can see properly, so that you can feel properly, so that you can love and respect properly, so that you can enjoy life appropriately. You don't regret nothing, no, because everything is functioning within certain time limits, and you're aware of that, so you're not afraid. The mind is aware that this and that and that and that is going to happen. That is what you call self-realization. When you sleep, you know you will definitely wake up. You're not going to die.
Okay.
So you see, you're not panicking. Your mind is set like that when you sleep, you wake up. You're not going to die. So because your mind is set like that, you go to sleep and you wake up.
Sure.
That is a command. So when your mind is set properly, it's a command that operates and prompts things in your life automatically, naturally. But when the format is not good, when the format is defaulted, that is when you begin to have problems and confusions and worries. And then you start blaming people. So you see, we have to seek more knowledge and understanding without barriers. We have to seek more knowledge and understanding without barriers, because that knowledge and understanding will make us know and realize what is happening. It will make us understand what is happening, and that will give us a mindset within which we can think properly, effectively. You see, so if the television set is not synchronized vertically and horizontally, nothing will come out. No picture will be showing. If a television set is not synchronized vertically and horizontally, the vision doesn't come out. The picture doesn't come out. So as a human being, your mind, your body, your soul must be put together so that you can synchronize them and strike a balance within a certain standard within which you can operate and do things effectively without any regrets. For example, when you have a sound mind, look at the way your eyes looks. Ko a sound mind there. Ona ni o jojigba, o phone bi ojigba. Ona feno ya no ojigba. Ona sound mind ko. Na kan sound mind there, it reflects your ingbe mi. Mo family ba kwa ingbe mi, wa ke o tell ingbe mi fe sexy. Oh yes. Ke yo ojigbo no le ka haje me kura. Kumo ka kwa ingbe mi, wa ke mo ekpebo. The ingme if it dazzling. Ingme dazzle because the mind is sound. Everything is working properly. Everything is working effectively and efficiently. Okay, feel like a mind they feel very sound. Imagine, for example, no tea party, allo tea meeting, no on a cold, allo on a flu, no chinese on. Every minute you have to sneeze. Every second you have to sneeze because you have cold and flu in a meeting. How would you feel? Such a discomfort. Or not, you not have a sound mind. No, you will not think you even ask for leave to go home. You immediately ask for leave because the mind is not sound at that particular moment. When you are having a meeting, you have meeting. No quite trashy. Nah, but very I discuss no very important. No cold, allo flu. No sneezes on, no chine, no Google running. You can imagine how uncomfortable I feel. You call the meeting off. Oh no. But when the mind is sound there, you'll be surprised how you run the meeting and how you manage the meeting and the affairs of the meeting and the minutes of the meeting. You'll be surprised how you run them. Everything goes quick. In seconds, you set your target and you achieve your goal. In seconds. It's like a footballer who can strike very good. Come on, they have a very good eyesight. They have a very good foresight. Football is not a go. I'm a eyesight, I'm a foresight, I'm a vision, very good. Or a wobble from distance, no lepo. And that is what World Pele does. World Pele a pattern like to football. Unake a wobble from a distance before the goalkeeper realizes because why? He's got a foresight and he's got a vision. So before you know, he's thinking before you think. Otherwise, your thinking level will go down and you think slow. Because inner cells in your brain say, if it's very inactive, it's first of all, let's put it in the physical aspect. Cells in your brain, it's because cold can it be flames, a hole can it be your instrument, can it be cause semen, can it be a block wave, say, a block airway. Because no more fresh oxygen no nourish your mind there, no stimulate your mind there, no revival, no reset, a refresh your mind physically. I'm gonna care mentally. It's an knowledge and understanding as to no one in the week will happen or attention. Keji o mindset enye ko pick na information snake na ke imagine knowledge ni le ne ye jinshina mi ke fi na ka no fi basa wana keji mindset ya fi ujugba pe ko na you start blaming others wa blame me ko blaming me ko na you become to blame yourself ko blaming yourself bene wa balaji agbene dan o mi fun and you cannot manage the anger because you don't know where the anger is coming from.
Dog, ufane shibami, kekim. When you mean ko me join no, shimina ke e change no ebisane ko mito ni oha isane to dani ke ba shiwo ni shiwo. Ni ji ni odue yamu. Greetings to you, dog. I'm live in class today. Thanks for the insight. Sane na bi shin if mindset is not a barrier to think beyond where it is set. Bonmishi. Or the level it has been set to a example education is a key to success. Is this mindset not a barrier for you to think beyond that? When talking about a barrier, we are about mindset is a barrier.
Not only you and Kenji, for example, if you only know how to cook, and you don't know how to wash, the best thing to do is to learn how to wash. But because you know how to cook, you think somebody else can wash. What you're doing is that your mindset is setting a barrier for you.
Okay.
You'll not be able to know how to wash.
Okay.
Because instead of you to cook and wash, you do the cooking and leave the washing to someone else. So you'll be used to that. It will become a habit. So you see what that mindset is doing to you? It's setting you backwards instead of forwards. So we shouldn't allow our mindset to create barriers for us and limit our opportunities of advancing and progressing and developing.
Okay.
You see? Oleni homo fine. Ka honi ba shami. Shibwe ko honi otam go kra shami. O mindset no yen a great barrier ko habo. A limit or chances of knowing how to wash as well. Or any may appear they cannot multitask. Careful go feel netole. Because if he used to like a mindset ake make him feel branch or limit to it. Come on, mind then how if I feel 1,000 things at the same time. In a mind they call settle the bar. If I feel 1,000 things at the same time. It's some typical examples. But every man and a woman should ask themselves the number of things no fear in a day.
Sure.
It's because of the way we set our mind. we are able to program ourselves to do different things at the same time. Multitasking. But when you set your mind, I will do this and will not do that, limit away. Knowing you about mindset, come go kele ta play me down.
Man, yeah.
Mugone kele ta play me. Ni na le ni ina chance ko ni sane ya isane ifangbe. Ni kule ya ta opportunity to keke ba shia ni ke ta play me. A mindset of interplay me a limit of meaning progressing and moving forward.
No, but dog, but which means and you're doing to a transaction. Hello, penono you a transaction. So it means our mind should not be set on one thing.
No.
But we must learn to grow it day by day.
Yes.
Okay.
Because imagine having a very beautiful wife or a very beautiful husband. But when you had a baby, the baby doesn't look like any of you. How would you feel?
Very bad.
You see? So if your mindset is like, oh yeah, my baby must look like me, and it doesn't work like that, you limit yourself to that understanding. You see, obviously, when something else happens, you become disappointed. So who created the disappointment? You created it for yourself.
Sure.
Based on your mindset. As soon as your husband comes from work, oh, by now I'm saying, sure I can be there. I say, Ona, Ninwe Janichme ba, Ojumo pen cable page, I say. Nekwe, Lemo Jane Yase, and ye, Equatinichmo tolepo. Oh, mindset, but no set of mind.
Did you into?
No, solo into.
Solo,
no, solo into the intention.
Intention, okay. Oh, no. Mindset.
If a intention can make makele noko, it's different.
Solo.
If a intention can make honi male, it's different. If a intention can make phone male, if a intention can make it's different. See, any o mindset eji, ke kono be sa na anye ya say.
Okay.
O set o mind there na kai. O anytime call na le keno, but no set o mind, o limit o to that understanding. O call na mo no o anye ya say. Na kan mindset no ne banye feji. Ken no discover can na kan jibo no set to mind against le. Ni le ho la ke shi e ya no chimo de tole na de ba hia. Mi no jino no fie. O Christian agbo hia mi.
Na agba.
But fia bo ni no esmo ha bo ha. Na kan sumo e ba reduce.
Na kan.
Because ni try go be feeling ko ken hale. Ona o mindset sometimes no jino ni you away fe. Our mindset.
Na kan. Na kan.
But no ba set o mind on ha. Na kan format o na. No can run all affairs.
Okay. Mrs. Rubiaike, unless you are a lazy person, then the mindset becomes a barrier.
Thank you. That's the point.
Sure.
Oh no, the minute you become negligent, you become lazy, you are setting barriers. Because the mindset is that, okay, I will not do this. You see? And because you're not doing it, it becomes a format in your mind. And it will follow you everywhere because the format is there.
Sure.
It will follow you everywhere. It will follow you into marriage institution. It will follow you into different institutions. And you'll be surprised if it is not a good mindset. You'll be surprised the number of things that thing will create for you. And if it is a good mindset, you'll be surprised how many wonderful things that will come your way.
Sure.
Wonderful people will come your way.
Okay.
Realizing that your mindset is good for them. So you see, sometimes to be able to achieve our goals, when we set a goal, for us to achieve that goal, or when we set a target, for us to be able to achieve that target, it's a called mindset to the bar.
Okay.
Because, for example, go to a business, yeah. The mindset, business anymore fear, but you know, in customers, for example, no number benefit from it, more come in profit pay. Only like a mindset, it will cause more damage. Because you are not looking at the interest of the customers, but you will ignore certain areas, and if you are dangerous, or eventually, no what happen, it will be like a court. The car court, it will cause more damages, or only call lose because of the mindset. Over another one, footballer, Jibo, you're a good striker. Ahebo with so much money, I get a ball. No goals. Chibojomoji, o mindset miya fishka, I'm going to make money. Ona. So ona keshi interest no banna no ka more goals. Ona ambition no banna no ka more goals. It will reduce. Because you're only thinking about how much money you'll be making. Eventually, I can't like a small intention no goals. About shebo team me. Ona mindset on the fiambo. Schedule mindset, G. Look, me, I'm a professional footballer. Me, I trouble my goals. Una, ninke fake bepo. Nin team, unke fake be. Una, no bambo more energy. Una, in your mind, because of the mindset, you bambo more energy. No bad trigger no kwe body me. What the way no mind the true only na kanjibo ni body reactor. You see what I'm saying?
Okay.
But ni on mind true only. For example, imagine you wake up in the morning. Ote shilebi. Ona. Ni mind there fe basa. Wana efe ba ko fe no.
Fe disorganized.
Efe ba ko joy. Efe ba ko yeni. Efe ba ko oshodami. Because mind there fe basa. Scott is in mind there is sound there. Every part of your body reacts the same. Ona. See, it's not be what yake. Te ba fe te. Ni mind there ba fe sound there. It will depend on how active or brain cells are. Because don't forget, ke brain cells say it's sometimes say una complications come your mommy. Sometimes say if you're flap about your mommy. Oh yes, flap about your mommy. Don't you me shambo? Wanna know into me shambo wa feel about into me.
Info na ona ke big work big bia shenka ke keji every 3 days that be ten. Imnyao ishikiomi.
That's it.
Ishikio.
I to find like a shikio can be I to find ona me prefer no one notify. I know about cotifa. Ni about tuning within the bloodstream.
Okay.
Nike tuning within the bloodstream if I bele me try to see nerve circle artery cell the bar. The bani oxygen atom the bar. Eventually get oxygen to me naturally you be sneezing up at the right time. If sneeze at the right time, if I feel it, if I balance of pressure. If I balance of pressure naturally, I believe in natural treatment. I believe in natural medication and natural advice, of how to treat yourself within. Because that is no general feel stronger.
Okay.
She kejo ye no joy Sane kuno. Ihe ni bi block or into me. Come on, a hole kubanye ka within into kogugon for about 2 weeks. If I say ko nyomu juba, ko akashi onyomu, you can't breathe properly. You can't breathe in properly because a hole ko block your gugon ko into me. Ke o get rid of like a milk or energy a hole, you be surprised if I say ko one breathing problem because of like a blockage. O se no nutufa, ona ni ba on block na kani. Allo is an enemy. Offer a natural treatment. To move in Chwangishi, the K. Lebiman Pando wa face team ne ona. The waffle nula. The wa inhale steam ona. What cover into boy inhale steam on block on a command mucus can be any of fe the ona o vision blare because when that part is blocked a blur of vision ona ni ojibwa. No honey me na eyesight problems. Engbe min come like can be a fe week. Na ni ojibwa. All those things is because nibi a block mucus can be a block owing by me owing to me can be semi or chichimi. It has no mojiba. Nike on your mojiba or brain cells and yet because I mean not enough coil. For example, only any flowers bawa a nanu. Ona in a fertile grounds never grow. You see, flowers, every plant care about grow jiba. It's an enough fertile grounds in about grow. Can enough fertile grounds. It's an enough irrigation. It's not waterly. If moist. Because it grow. When you need a natural and no demand or. It's an enough fresh air within which it can live and shako. I share a column less than a shako. Well, every part of our body and I can know you. You see, those are the bombarded sound. It's another grounds, no fertile grounds, no, but no grow. So you sow that seed. You sow that seed in that fertile ground. That is your inner self. Inner self. I just see there, yo. I say, only power, no, no pocket. Oh, Miss Smaller, oh, Calabanish, no Calanish, show, it disappoints when it cheats on you. Inner self, I pocket. Take after you get it back. Because your self-esteem has been taken away. None of you feel proud. Oh, yeah, me only for a mugwe cockety. agbena o now e for don o pride no yo o now pride don because more e ba febo basa e kokete na ka mindset e ba no nchu awa o bia ne watch mo me pinchu wa because circumstances me na me boti o e die chi me ha moko mo kele yin shojugba mo e feel basa mo e ha na e share gbopo e ba develop mindset ko ni ba ne nchu awa e na moko mo bodon. This is what is happening today. But when you find yourself, you come back to yourself, who you are and who you used to be, you'll be happy again. Ubana means because Jemmy would discover Ubana Budencho power, Nini Mokehabu. Budencho A4, Nini Mokehabu, one and I can hear back. Only number fair, Nibi Ona, no need any be Joe, you will lose grip of those things. Get on yes, Terry, meaning, Umester, about Cheneva crash. What we lose, honor. Energy near me when you lose it. When you lose the energy in you, mentally, physically, emotionally, psychologically, spiritually, like energy when you lose it, you lose the grip. Well, until you get that grip back again, then I'm going to only be fair about all the back because you take it back again. And that is the power of God. Oh, no, that is the power of God. And that is why people believe in God, because He is the one who does all these things. Oh, no, but you need to learn. You seek more knowledge and understanding as to how He does it. Oh, no, we need to seek more knowledge and understanding as to how He does it through many natural, process. Oh, no, He does it through the natural process. So we need to follow that natural process within which we can set our minds. And then, within that natural force, if you are able to synchronize yourself vertically and horizontally, you strike a balance. So you don't lose the balance. Una stroke. It's an ogbomotreno here, called burning in the no wound in the you feel like flying. It's an equal wound in the no spread it around there. It should be like a bird flying. That is why the white man says, like, you know what, you should stand tall. You should stand tall. It's not because you are tall. You can be short, but you can stand tall, meaning that you have synchronized vertically and horizontally. You strike balance. No, no. Come on, jabo dente movie. Come on, blow over dente. You don't feel it because like a resistance no build a resistor ni or you don't. Energy ni yo me no near choming. Okay. Simple as that. Energy ni yo me moko efe no ko about double because energy ni yo me chief no more of your. You see what I mean? Ojuba. Score lose na energy no one come go febo no go double. Or mindset but no wa feel na can effect body now. What can mind there sound there. Ni na koyo ni sanina. Na nile ne sane na jomone sane dwen bone sane ka stimulate mind there ke nana ka ni bi una ke oxygen ne sane na una ke blood circulation ne sane na ke ni bi fe ke nana ka ni bi otigba ya ni mind there feel very sound wana go oyomo feel sound ke mo ko yono ko po ba fe bomulo no ko ni emi fun ba fe bomulo because o mind there very sound anya a frustrate o mind there because the mind is structured anya frustrate le na nya confused le ofa no na boninjo ojuba wo mindset le no ko ni ehyawa ni isen wo check na gani bi agbena isen wo kwe ona infections no ni cause of infection the bacteria germs viruses venereal diseases ni bi ni wona ka wo yin no cause no di bacteria mo wa ikome ni yo wa wi your system be ko enyo block o encho Teemɔ pandemic ni bane COVID-19 pandemic me no ake oh no smas because ke echogu go min ke to encho mi ne nagba ke to semi eventually able to teach me eventually able to lungs me a sizo power okay active cells and your me fe e buy power fe amedi le ba take over we call immune system be high enough e ke be gbena crambo score immune system e high enough onu no na ke wo yendi bi ona ni ba no immune system aya high to fanjin kmeni ko nu e ba no immune system aya high Me and Akoshi share Akoshi in this time and age.
Or Shiante Akoshi ne.
Akoshi, yeah. Inke share kwa. Come on, cut this lebi no mio here. Kajene kwa stomach ulcer can be because no me acid can be ona. Shko no Akoshi. No kwane wak bona can honey I mix honey. Can mix coconut. Just a teaspoon or a tablespoon can mix coconut. No. A revival, you know. It had no immune system. It take a certain balance. Not gonna get atmosphere may need until one no stand. Because equal a little malaria or me wash shamo. Because I could say no shamo. Empty your bladder or keje equal ona equal for example. Some blockages come equal ona. They could shamo near Jikuba. I could say well no flash out nakai or flash out nakai shamo from the bladder. Kajena can shamo wafi very concentrated. You have a yellowish. The shamo like a too yellow. No. Ona any imagine you are we or it sees or the function, the proper functioning of all blood cells. Ona of mitrageshi or arteries or nerves. Ona or circulation. Ke onyo shamo juban or shamo if you concentrated there is very, very risky. Because it has no free. It has no tension kuba no. It has no mean chichio. Ni ka o mean chichini nunjibwe mean repeat na gani dane. No, ka empty o blood ojigba no shamo ojigba. Ibani te flat o me organ dey ba bone shrink mo. Iba shrink. Iba sun. O enye perform ojigba. Eventually wako akochifani ha mo ni emi wa. Ko akochifani emi wa. You be surprised again. Be no wako gbe na. Obe wala na ge fi ono godon.
Nakan.
Ejo. Ejo bede. Ejo come on. To find come on no filter mo sane mini. Bien egbele actress say ona vein say tuning. Chia hun tuning. Ne chia tuning agbele na wala push wala down to jeme. Wo kwese ne ke win on ke ona. No filter mo no na more excitement mo it's an charge le more.
Nakan.
Ska je na kan be ejo mo o male oye ni awi. O weak nerve say because ni e be wala mo. No have extra power. Ni enough energy ne ba na ke dimo na kan power na. Okay, use ne for some time. But when you happen page call tie feel no ke age of you. It's some, you know, there are a lot of things things and only especially as men and women. As men and women ni bi pi and is and wole. Ona le ke je na kan ni bi ni wo yo. Ni bi ni wo no. Ni bi ni wo feel ne ha wo mean say no yo wa we. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. No one no wa ye. Keji ni effect mo what do you call it? Exhaust your system me. A na chemical reaction ko. Na kan chemical reaction e ko turn gas. Ni the wind then ni jopo e. Ona. E ko turn stool. Ona, te flache one money jopo e. We have to face reality because no one will discuss or we have to be honest about it. Agbenu eko for urine. Ndi shamo no shamo. O keji ne keni bi ne excrete ojugba ona excess fe hiomi. They block o system fe because it should be it's an exhaust, it's exhausted. Ona it's a waste. Or it's an enemy. It at the appropriate time from the appropriate place. Keji na can evaporation no bana ibaba up again. Or if no breath, then I feel very bad.
Sure.
Oh, breath, but I feel bad. Sometimes you don't even know your breath is bad until someone tells you. You can imagine you've lost yourself. Well, these are the things we need to take account of on daily basis. Okay, Kashe, because you are what you are.
Sure.
You are what you are. You are yourself. And when you lose yourself, you lost everything. Ona mind there ke sound there. E ha no pick on bi oya. Ona ni oya. Ona ni ye shon. Ke be ko ba potente ona be ye shon then o stop or be put na be ba. Ni success ko mba hu ona success ye shon. Because o vision no ko blare vision Ona we should be aware. Ona we haven't touched the subject of the soul. She might be no confused. Soul le bono yo jona. Ko charge soul out ba ona. Ke e shey ko soul le a light ne throw ha bo ona shoni. Because no blocky the vision of the soul. Or soul na show imagine of vision if a bled. Oh, but soul na. Ona TV and Tajiko. Ina gbele wa jiko. Ona picture of the you don't see the bigger picture. What TV mama she say tuni. Ona TV she TV ni. She get no friend tuni of the mindset of the self and tuni of the no friend your of the mind there in a fresh ona a refresh ona a drain mind there in a chance a drain in a energy you can drain get feel like ona no friend feel sound your body me. Onyo achieve our goals. Onyo set our target. No achieve our target there. Abake chufani. Show nation. No di foresight eh. First of all can develop the structures now in the mind there. First of all if I know not actually insight. You are having the inner self in the
Okay.
Insight no one na inner self. O power no here. You mean. Ka jukete te wana gena power yo me sha kokete se no koke back ni ko na power back ya gbe o realize na kan power ni yo me na di inner self no ba no na mini insight ko na insight no develop insight we wana mini foresight all through knowledge and understanding ke o na foresight agbe no one vision ni chaka gbe you are seeing further she ko recharge battery of the bar te wa fit light ache akpe light enye ekpe. So no recharge cells so no friend tuning correct. Or no pick or signal say can no go happen put in ajia chombo. Because the reason is that TVS and here many channels. Was any mind there, no friend function the bar. Ni anya bele channel self abo. Like again TV how much ni channel say tune. Mind there here channels, different channels. No one no friend you all know in mind there here different channels, billions of channels. Ona Shika bele ko channel na hakobo e ke fit mo one corner. Shika bele different channels and habo nake wow. Onania you enjoy life again because you see the beauty of creation. You see the beauty of every creation and every action and performance and you understand why these things are happening. Ona o shegbe you don wo agbele channel self habo. Through knowledge and understanding. Ufanona boninjo.
Numashishi.
Oh, noni bani mind that tuni no mejoni your cell seke tuni mind de wa tuni brain cell seke tuni ojigwa mind de wa tuni ojigwa. Mabo example like one last example. Kono wona ni clear. Ona keke o general su blanu alo bla you fresh girl, fresh boy. O intrefe define. Alo mali.
Nakai.
On trefe define wana ke ko show nche wana ke ekpele
yeah from
ona e ba share ko wana ke mini be wana ke one jemi nke ni bi
ekome pe o
wana ekome ekpe
nakai
tumo nche itan ona wana ke afet mo nche itan e ba share ko alo nche o itan ba ko komo bo wa e ba ona dead cells come o itan if you white we game chole totoi
yeah
ile no na me chole totoi ni na but it's a dead cell niko ibointiona ibe ointin komobo ona nakani ka obon na kan science na mo twanke active cells think han o brain e chwo no digba ona no mindset if you accurate and sharp ona nakani bi e reduce agbene e diminish no bana agbene ko no ko po nyo kai po don. This is how the system works. Okay, no beat system but it's an total knowledge and understanding of how the system works. And that is why we are here. Like knowledge. You see, let me tell you something. There was a time, in my example, ni inte fit mo ekpa. In my example, inte fit mo ekpa. O mbi yo ke fe ke shiomila. O daddy agbenele o inte ekpa o gbo e nke o ka worry. Kawore bo wana shuwe we na chi ole no mi ele no mi fe ona any work what knowledge and understanding ko your knowledge and understanding ibambo insight ibambo foresight ibambo vision obana ni ojugba clearly o e se kwa gbene mbile na ka imo ba gbene o enjoy chai ya ku hairstyle ku ne na me ya ke ma me ake na papa agbene na she ko na ye so ni baba nke ba wo wi agbene. You see, no nim bi na ji a revive system ona min town e ka kaseni a revive system ona system no na when you seek knowledge of the system within the system itself will take you through. But when you deviate from the path of the system will reject you.
Sure.
It's as simple as that. You are in the system rules. And that is why I said in the beginning, the good, the bad, the ugly, the beautiful rules the world. You cannot change it. Or you have to be in the system, follow the system, mastermind the system, learn the system, know the system, understand the system. Then you become a friend of the system, and that is when the system will take you through. Otherwise, if you become disrespectful of the system will reject you. Imagine having a mother and you don't respect your mother.
That shows Sane.
Oh yeah, imagine having your mother. No matter how rich you are, no matter how handsome or beautiful you are, if you don't respect your mother will reject you because the system says you must respect your mother. That is the system. So your mindset should not make you disrespect your mother. Because you have a good husband or you have a beautiful, rich husband, you don't respect your mother. No, the system will reject you. On any mindset for you. Well, call town on sound mind there, then it's a no set of mind. The catching mind is set, but reset the mind. It can be done easily. Computer technology put into a reset on Mali. I feel resetting. When you go into computer technology, we do resetting. Hello, Mali. So how can you not reset your own mind? How can you not reset your own life? How can you not reset your own system? You can do it if you know how to do it. Well, as you get along, I believe I can see there are times why you are she's a set example. Mintani yeneke program ne must set one example with knowledge and understanding. But when God grants you some knowledge and understanding, you implement it. You use it for the benefit of others. And that is what we are doing here. Hello.
Nakwali.
One more set example. I go, okay. Bomone na bone filo. Systematically to afete. They were free from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, what can I go into Baboa? You want to outroot it because they go into Babu Trangbene. Nini and Bauna. Ni and Bauna. No, take good and Jonami, no fellow of your name. Because call fellow could into Babu on your philology. Chimeke, Nipobanyawa, if free area. Hello, Mali. Come on, Nabwe, Bajahila. Nakano, come on, Nabwe, Baja, a weak point, Konina. Hello, Mali. Then it's Jilabaji where no weak point. Yeah. Well, then you take advantage of you in a weak point. It will all depend upon your mindset. Kemokoba respect boy, it will depend on mindset. Kemokoba disrespectful, mokoba bubu alo ebu boy, ibaje o mindset. Kemokoba sumobo alo sumobo, ibaje o mindset. Okoba na sound mind alo now sound mind there, ibaje o mindset. And if the head is sick, you'll be sick. Ona komogone ekemo gwage tafula te sebi wo oyarepa ayu bomade sanjibo no so fine no nyemi bomade san kebage we oyarepa because in a mindset no weakness no weak point no format well elele what throw back to you with time I believe I can see we'll put a lot of ideas and information together. No one okay wawoi. One okay wawoi. I wish Pakistan I do a together pong. There are times we'll go out there and do some exercise. You can go to the gym, you can go somewhere in the park, you can go somewhere nice place or free exercise school. Naga exercise I check my film pressure. Naga exercise no afia can live man pa or check my film pressure. Because get it 2 minutes exercise I feel on your capacity enough in the mind, in the body, in the heartbeat. Nina can 2 minutes say one okay feel like an exercise say, but I work on you. It's an about medical treatment. Ni ba no regain like an strength
back.
Because they exercise pe no regain no strength. No. It's an about go through mind therapy. Ona akwa jomo jogba na akwa ke mini gba jomo na no dey hand o chi alo fe tens.
She dog info ona ke owie no kwa ke shi Sane ona mind afebu mind therapist. Alo mind therapy, sorry.
Yeah.
Be pie if you what team pia ke shi keji uti ikule psychiatric hospital no ana doctor for you which means sekelo epe
No.
She to be no try get Sane mind therapist ne. But which means one Obanyowa Germany won was seek for michon medical attention.
Be pia if you make my English to like you say. If you go English like a why ni a doctor ke. Need a flight this again. You know, English, you know, see on a program then of you. Imani mo fia mo na onye o examine o he. Ona. Ko examine o here information o na fe one okay correct ni bi kume. Allo in can improve upon ni bi kume.
Nakai.
That's what you are doing here.
Nakai.
No, why no ka ke doctor ko allo ne. No fear is more than enough. Because information fe won ha on bele no fe no di Teemɔ Sane
hidden secret.
On bele on hidden secret fe won bele o. Okay no ko eti because ko ke Teemɔ go o feel esha. Ni ko ke Teemɔ ko minister no wana. Ona no the thing is that ona mind therapy no of you e dey show Sane. I mean it's a great work. Ona if I set mind there free. Ona if I set mind there free.
Dog ina nkwe be inya nyoji be shin ye na she mi na ge iye nyalo moji be fe be umo mi to ma be one question dog mini ji the opposite side of a sound mind.
On the contrary, the opposite side of sound mind obana very disintegrated cells your mommy disintegrated.
Okay.
Cells fe basa. Ona komo gonika yeni it goes down the wrong side of the throat. Ask yourself, how does that happen? Because cells are in your brain, if it disintegrated, if it was we affect throat.
Okay.
Because intro na, into a hingme, bugon, nabu, lile, nyonyo, gum, and the throat, they all work together. What cannot be bios sanoko? One, you know what? The amount of cells in here were into it, there are many, and if it cannot happen to one cell again. It affects a lot of cells. Or me, to be honest with you, I'm very sensitive, extremely sensitive. I developed that sensitivity to be able to detect everything like a machine. Yes, like a machine. So that even when you touch someone, you can feel the temperature of the person. You have to develop that sensitivity. You should be high. Why do you think we have electronics like high sense? Why do they give the name to high sense? Because, you see, as a human being, you should be sensitive enough. So even when you are sleeping and something strikes like this, you feel it straight away. Even when you're sleeping and something strikes, you feel it. Nothing is left unturned. Every cell is working appropriately and on time. A timing feel good. But then timing feel good. So on the contrary, because cells say fibasa. You can feel like vision, hearing, even speech feel basa. Speech wa feel basa. Call you then China you mona. Because you mo fe only let you. Come on, let me tell you something. Excuse me to say this, yeah? We've been kissing people every day. But how many times do we kiss ourselves? Because you don't feel it. It should be, it's an onion lemon, but come on. No feel sweetness. You feel your own sweetness. But because that sweetness in you is destroyed and taken away, you don't feel it anymore. You take it from others. You take that sweetness from others. But you should feel your own sweetness. You should feel your own taste. The inner you should come out for you to enjoy. So when you enjoy yourself, you enjoy others as well. But when you are not happy, how can you make other people happy?
Yo, dog, to be in China, you are not going to be one yan, you na shene mina ke wo he nyelon wo BFB o fa ne minji o advice no kwa chi ama bi wo ba cha no alo to wa feel it next week kan ma so
watch you were talking about the mind. Now we're coming down to eyes. You can be having, if your mindset is not good, your brain cells, are not functioning properly. You're having infections, bacteria here and there, viruses here and there in your brain functioning and all that. But biology, wana discomfort, wana inflammation, flu can it sore, can it be flu about me? And when you have sore anywhere in your brain, in your mind, in your brain, it gives you a lot of discomfort. It doesn't make the brain work properly. And that can make you develop a certain mindset which will not be good for you.
Okay.
Or avoid nibi fe ni wo feel. For example, the environment me no like is jeme environment to fly bacteria ko jeme allow discomfort ko jeme. You can feel it, you can sense it. Ke obayeko ni chaki mo ko je sanole. Ke onyo sense na gani bi ni chake be o cell chuni odiba. The flat ke konji wa bon onu ke konji fu bon mo na ka no ke sense no ko fe problematic in the environment, in the atmosphere, you should know, because otherwise it will go into you. Ke bacteria ko ne ba yo mi ke virus ko ne ba yo mi o ke jina ke imagine even if to me no bashia no kwena you wanna headaches
yo dog
always says some kwe kuni ni bi ni ba chest infections can be in fe running you even though we are talking about mind there being over eyes over nose flames come ni ba na chugugo they have no breathe the bar so no one block fe to fagino ni feel fe agbo throat one on a sore throat bonincho or ke na me fe even though what your mind there no friend ba affect mind there it descend down to the body no friend no mi jagbene no friend ba disturb mind there ke papa ni it descend down to the body no na mean she the ke phone ni no it disturb mind there it descend down to the rest of your body eventually no one you eventually can nunjibo so no feel careful the ke jina can be pono na le tumo shomo ibani o lose man power
okay
ibani lose man power ni ke yo jibo orgasm ba feel very low.
Okay dog mi na ke Sane wo ke won fe mo awabie ben ko ha advice ku na ke ke bla no ko mo iabo mle twa ko me ko ni
well advice mo aji ofin wo bomodin ku no fe ni gba wona what chewo fun kuni what set goal ku ake we want to structure our minds for us to be able to achieve that structure of a sound mind on top of a sound mind. Or how do we structure that sound mind? What feeling as a goal? We want to set that goal. Or in order to set that goal, no feeling bow now, we should trash it out. We put it behind us. What develop more energy into combating nibining bow now. When you conquer nibi. That is what will give us a sound mind. But nothing born ka onye overcome nakania, you have a sound mind.
Okay.
And the only way no one will overcome like a near get trash it out. Don't take it to heart. Your mind is even too strong to combat certain things. You don't need to take them to heart. But when you take it to heart, you're disturbing the body and the entire body. Mindset banu okonkani keji a good mindset. A strong mindset. Na I can realize or nibi kume. Na I can understand or nibi kume. No matter the power to overcome those things by thinking and realizing of what to do to achieve that thing. That shouldn't upset you. Hello, Mali.
Okay.
Ote shilebi olako ya nuchimo. Olako kote nuchimo actually continue to bawa payable. This should make you happy. Hello. Waketa bodenche bo fight ya nuchimo. This is a good mindset. It's a bad mindset eji. Olako ba nuchimo. Niko te nuchimo wa chuni. Niko chuni wa payable. No cash no waste time. Or lose nuchimo. On a bad mindset. Or mindset ebono yo nakanjibo no life ba fi.
Aja yo. Be hia ke shina gba ifen oba ni eho wose. Ni wonye wo wona hiwale. Ni wo ke yi. Ni bi kuma no ni michon wakana na ke jomo mi gba mo na lo na gba ine. Eku. Shikome gun wo ke o mashi radio bi eji eni wo ke woni fe mo bawa. Ni dog ni my job ake be fair be or not una be no ko agbasa ni fine.
Thank you.
Agbena wada meme nu kwa we amekwa we Facebook e ko mele ho. Wada o nu mo hie ko hwane ne o ke o radon nwa job ni gonti ajo. Ke ni lai ni lewe ekudo choni efefefo nu o ke ni fe mo ne ibanye gbe. Dog ni se tumo na ke tumo ke ko na no one nomination ko ehia
I see.
and one media personality of the year.
Wow.
Radio station of the year.
I see. Interesting.
No keji o to vote for the media personality of the year. Gbeji ni tetelate ni bongo wa trust star 447 star 511 ash star 447 star 511 ash. Ni code eji EA241. Code eji EA241. Nyera don shikomeku wo mashi radio. Okay, ni fe mo na banyegbe no hwehwe. Oba na gbe fefo Teemɔ mlisani. Ngbeji ni tetela tinke Dr. Imam Abdullah Sapon. Dog mina go to
no mi tama yeji ka le no table ko ya medication ko nji tufa ko no ni ko doctor ni prescribe ha boy mi pa fa wa ke fi wo ko side effect e tufa ke side effect o ke ja le no mo ko tufa ko side effect e ke di side effect e into gbamo alo shio alo ko musu kon bo alo o fi ogwe ke bo mo no ta advice o ya ko ne ke imagine bi na pie e dehydrate o me pie na mele nchage wa short no your system no le ona bin wa election no ko happen abako bella alo ko fly check ko short no ta ko ba rush to care hospital ona o mi pa fa mo fia mo no ni gbo na even though we are on sometimes say can ni echecho why not be advised because mo ko le was an the next minute say will anything happen ona o kano ko gbo na no wie ke solution ko wanu taw e ko solution po e can be a no or let's be open to conversation and discussion so that you can help each other. Thank you very much.
Bini chonye yue o mashi radio. Ye ji enu wako ni fe mo ba wa kenya nu wo yiku okay next week alo ngene ochi iku wa baba pe ni fe mo no ni Teemɔ mlisani ni ji mi ni tetelate ke Dr. Imam Abdullah Sapon. Nyera don kenya nu wo don be okay akpeshi before dani wo ba ya obada mo fe mo ni ke wo ye be ni odue ye mu ke wo mami Mrs. Ruby ayi agbena wo bra ba no Linda Hope la we ko ke je boga ni ami okay nyumo ajo nye fe kenya nyenu wo don be okay mini akpe o
Kama anone, kame anone, o mashi radio, onyenwo.
Ola ke tolo juba na ne jure na. E dogo fo unanga ya chungona. Tolo juba na ne jure na. E dogo fo